Good evening. This is James. So welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we'll be working on how to edit pictures. The way I edit my pictures. So I've been getting a lot of messages how to edit your pictures use for your club design. So basically this channel is for club designers, party flyers, cover art, mixtape albums. So here we are. So today we are showing you my process of editing my pictures. So first of all, I already have this picture here. We're gonna use this picture. I already removed the background to picture the wedding. So we get started. I don't want this tutorial to be too long, just very short and straight to the point. You understand? Okay. So first of all, we have our background removed. And this is the picture we are working on. I got this picture from Pinterest. Okay, so let's take a little zoom at the picture. This is it. And we head over to camera roll. This is Photoshop 2024, I think. So every Photoshop, I think from 2020 has camera roll. 2019 has camera roll too. So head over to camera roll filter. Then we head over to, let me pull up this guys. Head over to detail, this particular one here. We click on detail. So we'll be using the noise reduction. So basically this is noise. This thing that looks zoom a bit, dotted, everything. That's the noise affecting the picture. So we reduce the noise reduction. That's one we're gonna use. Alright, let's take it back. So this was it before. You understand? And when we reduce the noise, this is what we have. It's kind of wash it off, like just like you're washing a plate, just wash it off. You understand? Washes everything off. So this is it. You can still choose to increase more, but I don't want to overdo it. Let's just keep it minimal. You understand? So we have this before and we have this now. Okay, so we add a little bit of sharpening. Then okay, we head over to light. Then the blacks, I will reduce my blacks. So basically these blacks has to do with everywhere there is black in the image, it can reduce or it can add. You understand? Everywhere there is black, you can choose to darken it, you can choose to lighten it a little bit. So anywhere there's black in the image, maybe the color of the clothes is black, anything black in the image, you understand? So I will darken it a little bit because of the hair. I want it to be very dark, the hair and the clothes. Then the whites. Now take a look at this thing now. So the whites mainly affecting the eyeglass, you understand, she's putting on. So I will increase it a little bit. Then exposure, I want her face to lighten up a little bit, you understand? Then I'll add a little bit of exposure here. Perfect. So this is her face. I want it to lighten up a little bit. Let's keep it minimal, you understand? Okay, so here we have this now. Then add a little bit of texture effect. We have texture, we have clarity, a little bit of texture, you understand? So this is okay for me. I don't add too much effects. So basically this is okay. You understand? There's no magic. It's just how you want to edit some pictures. I don't add too much editing on my pictures. So press OK, and this is what we have. Voila. Then for the final touch, let's choose to add sharpen. Let's choose to add smart sharpen. I like adding the smart sharpen effects. Let me zoom out. So I'm using a little bit. So this is what you have here. This effect here. When you click on OK, you'll have it here. You understand? So you can choose to increase it to be too much. You can choose to keep it minimal. Okay, so just keep it minimal. I don't want it to be too much. You understand? Okay, you can add sharpen edges. But I don't normally use this one, just once in a while. So yeah, it's very easy. There's no magic there. Okay, let's try another image. So see that this method works for me every single time. So let's hide this one. Let's try this image too. I got this image from Pinterest too. So let's work on this image. So let's duplicate first. So we can compare. Let's hide this one too. Then let's work on this one. Rasterize the layer. Okay, so let's take a zoom. This is the noise I'm also talking about. And as I look at her tummy, you see the noise effect. There's so much noise in the picture. Okay, so let's set out the camera raw filter again. Okay, so first of all, start with the detailing. We reduce to noise, that is noise reduction. Now look at her tummy before. Now when we reduce the noise, look at her tummy now. You understand? Just like washing off stain from a plate. Okay. So we have, and still choose to increase. It's clearly washed off. Your sins are washed away. Okay, so we have this now. Add a little bit of sharpening if you want. Then lights, add a little bit of, let me add a little bit of exposure. Not too much though. You can add contrast too. Add a little bit of contrast. Then the highlights, I would call it add highlights on this particular image. So this is before. So highlight affecting mainly some parts of the picture here. Then the blacks. This is okay for me. There's no magic there. Then we add texture a little bit. I want to add texture to it too. Okay, so this is very simple and easy peasy. Everyone has already did the images, you understand? So you just find out what works for you. For me, this is what works for me, understand? I don't add too much effect, I don't add too much noise. If I don't want to, like, I don't roast images. Some of our designers have mainly that they always want to roast their images, especially those people doing posters or those celebrity posters. They always roast their images. I don't like that kind of shit. So I'm also gonna leave it like this. I'm okay with this. I don't have too much effects to my images. That's okay. Okay, so let's compare. We had this before and to this. You understand? So when you move the background, you can go ahead to use the picture for your design. You understand? Okay. You can still add the sharpen effect, some finishing touches. And let's zoom out a little bit. You can choose to add, you can choose to leave it out. Understand? Let's choose to add a little bit of sharpening. Voila. Okay, we are good to go. Alright, follow up on more tutorials. So next one we're working on something more. I think work on cloth fly, right? Alright guys, just stick around, okay? Kindly subscribe to get notified.